Greetings! In this video I want to give you a review of the Suavic Mosquito Repellent that I got off of Amazon. It comes in 12 little pouches like this, and they have other different versions. The reason I got it is because my daughter had a birthday party, an outdoor party near a pond in Florida in the evening time where there's tons of mosquitoes and insects. Why I opted for this as opposed to bug zappers or those little strips. Well, the obvious reason is because those bug zappers, they make all these noises, and then you see insect body parts flying everywhere, and people are eating, and I'm like, no, that's not the way to go. And of course, the strips are kind of like the same thing. You know, you see insects, you know, flying into strips. That's kind of disgusting too at a dinner party. So I was like, this is kind of interesting. There's no traps, there's no strips, and it's very discreet, and people won't even know it's there. So I'm like, I looked at the reviews. The reviews were pretty good. It was only 20 bucks for 12 pouches. It's like, I'm only going to be using it for, you know, a couple of hours for the party. Let's try it. So after reading the reviews, got it, and the party was a smashing hit, and there was no complaints of mosquitoes. I didn't see mosquitoes whatsoever. And what I did was I put the pouches on the, we had basically, the party was indoor and outdoor. So half the party, there was dancing on the outside with patios and stuff, and then the inside where they had like the music room and photos and stuff like that. So what I did was I dropped 2 of these right beside the door, and it covers like 120 feet, you know, square footage. And then I put one under every table outside, like right under the table, and that would cover people that were sitting at the table. We had 5 different tables, and it would prevent the mosquitoes from getting around people at those tables. And these supposed to have a shelf life of actually, you know, once you release them, for like 30 days. Now, I did look at a lot of the reviews. They said, look, it's good for 2 weeks. It's not good for 30 to 60 days. But I was only going to use it for overnight. Again, it was a smashing hit. One thing, like I said earlier, the one reasons I like it is because it's not, you know, a bug zapper. But another reason I like it is because it's got all natural ingredients. It's got, it's made out of like essential oils like cotton, corn cobs, and it's all natural. So if you have animals around, dogs, if they get a hold of it, it's not going to hurt them. It's, you know, it's not going to affect them. So that's another reason I like it. It's manufactured in Honolulu, Hawaii, so it's American made. I love that. They have different versions of the Suavic. I see where they actually have the little balls that you can actually have in your home to deter rodents, squirrels, and you can put in your car engines and stuff. I think that's a good idea. I heard that it does work. The only downside to that is that it's only going to it's perishable, so it's only going to last so long. I would recommend for something like that, long term for rodents, to get something like this. And I made a video about this, and I'll put this in the description, as well as a description or a link to where you can get these on Amazon. But I was pleasantly surprised with the product, and I think for your outdoor events this summer, I think you'd be crazy not to go with this. Alright, I do appreciate you watching. Make sure you subscribe.